What's up everybody, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set up MetaMask wallet. This crypto wallet offers many features and it's all in one wallet. So first what we need to do, go to metamask.io and then click in the top right corner, get MetaMask. Then it's going to take you to the different page and it's going to detect your browser. MetaMask is available through the web browser extension, mobile app and the web. In this case we're just going to be using browser extension and it's going to be Brave. Just press on it. It's going to take you to this page and right here just press on add to Brave, add an extension and just wait until it's going to download and install. Once the download is complete and it's installed, this is what you're going to see. Then what you can do, press on this little puzzle in your web browser and then pin, so that way it's just going to be showing up always over here. And in this page what we need to do, we need to create new wallet, unless you already have your existing wallet and you have your secret recovery phrase. So in this case, I'll just press on create new wallet. We have a couple different options, either to connect with Google or with Apple, or use secret recovery phrase. This is what I'm going to use. That way it's not going to be tied to any of my emails and I'll just save recovery phrase. Just press on it. First we need to come up with a password. And then right here, we need to put a check mark. If you lose the password, MetaMask cannot reset. However, if you have your recovery phrase, you can always reset and recover your wallet with that security phrase and then create a password. Unlock with Windows Hello. I'll just do it later. And this is secret recovery phrase. Never share this phrase with anybody, but for this video tutorial, I'm just gonna reveal because once I get done with the video, I'm gonna delete this account. This is my recovery phrase. I'm just gonna copy and paste. And the next thing, continue. It's gonna ask you to confirm just to make sure that you save your phrase and then continue. That's it. Press on got it. And this basically asking to send some data to improve your MetaMask. I usually uncheck that and then continue. That's it. MetaMask wallet is set up and you can just press on open wallet, or you can press an extension and this window is going to appear. This time, since we're already logged in, you don't have to type your password, but next time when you're going to reopen your browser, you'll have to type your password to access your account. So in here, you'll be presented with the first account. If you would like to add more account, just press on the drop down menu right here and then add an account. And that's it. It's just going to create account number 2 and you can create as many as you need. I'm not sure if there's a limit or not. And then if we go back here, you're going to be able to see a couple buttons here: buy, swap, send, and receive. We're not going to go into details. In a later video, I'm going to show you how to send and receive step by step. And then at the bottom, you're going to see your tokens, everything at 0 right now, but you'll see Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Tron, and many more because it offers many different chains. And then if you just like to switch to specific chain, you can just press on this caret right here, drop down menu, and then you're going to be able to see all the chains that already added. And you can actually add more chains just by pressing the plus, and then custom chains right here as well. Press on custom and just have to fill that information in. Then there is a perps. This is the pretty much leverage trade DEX. We're not gonna dive deep into it. DeFi, NFTs. If you're gonna hold any NFTs, they're gonna show up over here, and then your activity. Every single activity, send and receive, is gonna show up over here. And then the last thing right here in the top right corner, your hamburger menu. What you can do, you can set up notifications, open a full screen, and switch to pop-up. Discover as well. And the pop-up, if you do that, then instead of showing up on a right bar, what you're going to be able to see, it's just going to do like a little pop-up. Then there's a couple other options. Contacts, this is basically, it's going to show you all your wallets that you have, and then dApp connections, every dApp that your wallet is going to be connected, then networks, snaps, settings, and support, and then you can lock your account. For network, if you would like to add custom network, you can do that here, and pretty much everything else can be done in settings as well. Display, security and password, where you can recover your password or back up your password, transactions, and much more. Everything can be done over here as well. And this is pretty much it. This is just a quick tutorial how to set up MetaMask and quick overview what you're going to be getting with a MetaMask by default. And like I stated earlier, it also offers many different chains where you can find all your addresses here. In the future videos, I'm going to be covering how to send and receive crypto using MetaMask wallet. Link to MetaMask website I'm going to leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.